Welcome back, my dear students of class 8. Dear students, you are learning a series of videos about the chapter 2, that is the microorganism, whether they are friend or foe. Dear students, this chapter will provide you a lot of knowledge regarding the structure, function, problems, diseases, benefits, and so many things about the different types of the microorganisms. We were discussing in the last video about the different types of the fungi. So dear students, different types of the fungi like penicillium that we have discussed. Penicillium was used first for the making antibiotics by the Alexander Fleming. So this penicillium is very important. Rhizopus, that is the bad thing that is found on the bread whenever moisture will be there. And mushroom is also used as food, and that is having rich content of the different types of the protein as well as the vitamins that is found in the mushroom. So especially fungi, penicillium, mushroom, and one more fungi, that is the yeast, which is very important, especially in the wine industry as well as in the making the vinegar and so many things. Yeast. So these four microorganisms that given in your book, you have to study. And dear student, now let us see about some protozoans. Protozoans like amoeba, paramecium, euglena, and trypanosoma. And one thing more, these are harmful, especially trypanosoma causes the trypanosomiasis in the females. Entamoeba histolytica causes the dysentery and diarrhea in human. So almost all the protozoans, they are harmful for the human, but they are beneficial. They are called as the zooplankton, and they are used by some aquatic animals for their food. Dear students, where do the microorganisms live? They found in the different types of the habitat, like dead and decaying material at the land, underwater, water springs, etc., etc. And this Entamoeba histolytica is found in the alimentary canal of the human as the parasite. So now let us see about the microorganism and us. Now let us see the friendly microorganism. Microorganisms. Now number A, that is a friend. How they are friend? How they are friends? You have to learn in this video that how they are friend, how they are called as a friend. Number one, for making curd, bread, etc. Making curd, lactobacillus is involved. Making bread and bakery, bread and cake, yeast is involved. Yeast produces carbon dioxide, and by the carbon dioxide, the duff, cake will be the duff-like structure. Bread will be having the air spaces in between them. Commercially making alcoholic and beverage. Alcohol industry. So they will be the source of the revenue generation. Medicinal, making of vaccines, making of antibiotics. Medicines, making of antibiotics, and making of different types of other medicines by the certain fungi, as I have told you. Agriculture, increasing the soil fertility. Soil fertility means several decomposers are there, several nitrogen fixing bacteria are there, nitrogen assimilating bacteria are there, and these bacteria are helpful in the increasing the soil fertility, so that the crop production will be increased. So they are beneficial in agriculture. I hope that you all are noting this. You all are making notes in your CW copy, and finally you are making notes in the fair copy also. And environmental, the cleaning of the environment. 6. Cleaning of the environment. Cleaning of the environment means they are responsible for the decomposition of several complex organic, inorganic materials, and they will be. My dear friend, let me explain making curd and bread. Making curd and bread first. This one. As you know, the milk when it is getting converted into the curd, then there will be the increasing the number of the lactobacillus bacteria. And lactobacillus bacteria means the bacteria which are found in little bit curd, which get mixing into the milk, little bit warm milk, and that warm milk, due to the cell division in lactobacillus, they get converted into the whole milk, get converted into the curd. So making curd and making bread. Making bread means this yeast produces carbon dioxide. This is yeast produce CO2, and due to the CO2, the cake will be larger cake. Because of the air, there will be the air in the spaces in the baking bakes. Dear student, you will be also, if you want, you can learn the process of making bakery. Now commercial use, manufacturing in alcohol and alcoholic drinks. So what happened? Again yeast, that is the yeast produces sugar. Yeast plus sugar means the yeast, it will perform the anaerobic type of respiration, and what happened? The formation of alcohol, C2H5OH. This is the alcohol and other alcoholic products. Acetobacter, the bacteria that convert alcohol into the acetic acid or vinegar. Acetobacter. One bacteria, that is the Acetobacter. This bacteria is responsible for making the acetic acid, and by this acetic acid, the formation of vinegar that will take place. My dear student, medicinal use, as far as the medicinal uses are concerned, making antibiotics like streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin, and these are the antibiotics. They are used in the treating the human being for common cold, flu, viral fever, because these are caused by the viruses, and antibiotics are not effective against diseases caused by viruses, but these antibiotic has to be taken to prevent the secondary infection by the bacteria. If viral infection is there, then these antibiotics will prevent the secondary infection followed by the viral infection. Therefore, the precaution has to be taken while taking antibiotic. It has to be taken under the supervision of the qualified doctor, and a person must finish the full course prescribed by the doctor. पूरी dose लेनी चाहिए. And if a person take antibiotics in wrong dosage, it may make the antibiotic induced side effects like diarrhea, dysentery, etc., etc. So antibiotics taken unnecessarily may kill the bean, beneficial bacteria. Unnecessarily if taking antibiotics, then that will be harmful for the destruction of certain bacteria. Dear student, making vaccines. Vaccines are the substance, vaccines are the medicines which are used as the prophylactic use. Prophylactic use means if the disease is coming, the vaccine has to be taken before disease just to produce the antibodies in the body. And there are vaccination programs nowadays. This is the common vaccination program is going on of different vaccines like polio vaccines, corona vaccines, etc., etc., etc. And this the pulse polio program, that is for the eradication of occurrence of the polio in the country. Making food supplement. Dear student, bacteria and yeast are used making B complex tablets. Insulin obtained from the bacteria helps the diabetic patient to whose body produces the little or no insulin. As far as soil fertility is concerned, the nitrogen fixing bacteria like rhizobium and other bacteria like nitrogen nitrifying bacteria and biological nitrogen fixers, they are the biological nitrogen fixers. So soil fertility in the agriculture, that will be done. Now environmental use. Cleaning the environmental use, several fungi decomposes the material. And just to prevent from the harmful effect of these dead and decaying materials in the environment, plants, animals and animal waste into the harmful material which are used by other plant and animals. So these dead and decaying material that get decomposed by the certain bacteria, that will be useful for the next cycle. Therefore, my dear students, further in the next video, I will be able to explain you about the harmful microorganism and prevention of different diseases, disease-causing microorganisms in plants, and other remaining topics, nitrogen cycle also. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. So next video, that will be for prevention of, that will be for the harmful microorganisms. These are the useful microorganisms, and now in the next video, that will be the harmful microorganisms and diseases created by them. My dear students, let us have a short look. Beneficial as they called by lactobacillus, bread and cake, that is by yeast, alcohol in the alcohol industry, acetobacter in medicines like antibiotic and vaccines, soil fertility like agriculture, cleaning of the environment by the decomposers and scavengers. Scavengers, semi-decomposed material they will eat. So for today, thank you very much. My dear students, you must write the short notes, you must write the question answers, what I have did in the previous chapter. I hope that you completed the chapter 1 question answers in your copy. Thank you very much. Have a good day.